how to make apps that make you money every single day. And this training is setting up your Admob account for monetization. What's going on, everyone? Christopher Wilson here. And this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Admob. So real quick, let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, would like to invite you to hit that subscribe button on YouTube and to receive notifications of my next upcoming videos. Hit that notification bell. Okay. So real quick, we're going to go to our practice account real quick, and I did upgrade to the paid plan for this account. So let's go to monetization. Okay, well, let's start out with saying you should have your app created, and the only thing you need to do is add your monetization. So we're going to start that process off with Admob first. Then we're going to go on to the other monetization options. And I showed you in the previous video, I believe, about told you about the other monetization options that are available to you from Andromo. So real quick, let's go ahead to our monetization screen. Okay. And matter of fact, I'm going to take this picture off because I have noticed in my videos that my voice or my video and audio are not in sync. Okay, so just going to take the picture off of this. Let's see how I do that. Okay, all right. So, going to go to your Andromo account. Okay, log in. Just click Admob. Okay, and you have Admob banner ads, Admob interstitial ads. Okay, so we're going to place those unit IDs right there. Well, actually right there and right there, but I'll show you how to do that. So anyway, first of all, let's go to Admob. Now, if you don't have an Admob account, I'm going to show you the quickest way to get it. And you can actually use, if you have a Gmail account, or if you have a Gmail account from your Google Play account, you can use that also. Also, if it won't let you use Chrome to log into your Admob account, you can always use Firefox, which I'm using right here in this demonstration. Okay. So real quick, let's go ahead and show you the quick way to do this. Just go ahead and type in, go to your browser, type in Admob. Let's try it that way. Okay. Admob. Okay, good. So just click that first link or somewhere on the page, and then it's going to ask you to sign in. Okay, or sign up. Okay. Like I said, if you sign up, you have to set up a Gmail account for that and everything. And let's see what it said real quick. Yeah, well, basically, it's going to ask you to sign in using the app to continue to Admob. Okay, so sign up and sign in basically are the same thing. So we just go to sign in. Okay, and you're going to use your Gmail account that you're going to use for your Admob. Okay, this is one I'm going to use. And then you're going to come to this page right here. And I already have apps on this Admob account. Okay, but yours is probably going to be blank, pretty much just like this one is and everything. Okay, so what you want to do once you're logged in, and if it's your first, when you first log in, it's probably going to take you them a couple days to approve your account. Just let you know that also, just like with your Google Play developer account. Okay, but anyway, once you get your account approved, you're going to come to this page, and then what we're going to do first is click on this button that says apps. So click on apps. Then we're going to scroll down to click on add app. Okay. It's going to ask you the question, have you published your app on Google Play or the App Store? If you have published it, you can click yes. Or if you haven't, you can click no. Usually, I just click no because most of the time I haven't published them yet. But if you have, you can click yes. It doesn't matter. If you click yes, it's going to search for your app. Well, better yet, I'll just show you. But let's just say no. Let's just say no for now. Okay. But if you click yes, it's going to search for your app and it's going to show you the picture of it. Like, let me show you right here. Okay. Like on a few of these, see, this is your app and it's showing you so on Google Play. This is your app. It's showing that it's not on Google Play as of yet, but what you have to do is search it. So it's going to come up with a search bar. But anyway, just for the sake of this video, we're just going to say no. And you're going to add your app name. So let's get our app name here. Unicorn Wallpapers HD. This is how I do it. Just copy it, paste it. Yeah. Okay. Copy and paste it. Okay. It's going to be on the Android, of course. And this is something new I haven't seen before, but enable user metrics. I'll leave that up to you, whether you want to or not, but just for this video, let's go ahead and add it. Okay. Hope it's not any extra steps. Okay. Congrats, your app has been added to Admob. So at that point, what you're going to do is you can either select and scroll and copy that, or you can click this button right here to copy it. Okay, that's your app ID. Okay, go back to Andromo. You see where right here where it says Admob App ID? Go ahead and paste it there. Okay. Now I did mention that you have to upgrade to either the starter package or the pro package plan for Admob. For Admob to work, or for you to monetize your app. Okay, so just a reminder, if you did not do that, this won't be available to you. Okay, so that's your app ID. All right, now we're going to go to create an ad unit. That's a banner ad and an interstitial ad. Okay, so let's go ahead and click our ad unit. You're going to have banner, interstitial, and these two we don't use. We just use banner and interstitials for Andromo. Okay, so go ahead and click select. Do the banner first. Okay, then it's going to ask you for your ad unit name. From that point, that's going to be the ad unit number that they use for your banner ads, which is the banners that click at the bottom. Most of the time at the bottom of your app. Okay, so what I do is I label it banner dash, what we got, Unicorn Wallpapers HD. Do it like that. Okay, and paste that there. Okay, and see, I put banner in front because I know it's a banner. Because once you get lots of apps, it's going to be kind of confusing to remember which ones is which. So you always want to remember, keep everything congruent. That's what we talk about, keep everything orderly. Okay, advanced settings. This is what I do, but you don't have to do it. You can either use where it says automatic refresh, Google optimize, custom disable. I go to custom, and range is 30 to 150 seconds. This is what I do. I use close to 30 as possible. So I may say 35. I may say 37 or 39 or whatever. Okay. I may say 40. It depends. But it's up to you. Okay. But I like those ads to continue to, new ads to keep popping up. So this is what I do. Okay. Create ad unit. Okay. And this is your, this one is your banner. Yeah. This one right here. Okay. Because 504, that's your banner. That's your app ID, I believe. Yeah. That's 504 is right there. Okay. Yeah. So what you do is, where you see the little banner, icon, gonna select that and copy it. Okay. Tick Admob banner ads. Paste. Okay. Now, go back to Admob. We're not done. We're going to create another ad unit. Okay. So let's create another ad unit. This is going to be our interstitial ads. Interstitial ads are the, as you can see in the illustration, it covers, as soon as the app is loaded onto the user screen, it shows a full page ad. Okay. So let's go ahead and click that. And this is what I do. Just copy interstitial, right? For that name. Then, and see, usually I'll have my my description template up. And I just copy Unicorn Wallpapers HD from that. Okay, there we go. Unicorn Wallpapers HD. Okay, advanced settings, you don't have to do anything. You just leave that like it is. Okay, and then we're going to click Create Ad Unit. Okay, and here's your Ad Unit ID. Just go to the banner one. Okay, click that and select that and copy. Okay, remember this is your app ID. Now, when you go back to Andromo, just copy that there, paste it. Okay, now what says Admob App ID, you don't necessarily need that there. You know, in fact, we can take it off if we want, and it's still, you know, your ads are still going to show up. But you know, I usually put it there. Okay, so at this point, we're all set up. Our Admob is set up. Now, what we're going to do next? No, actually, yeah, we could do this next. Okay, let's go ahead and go down to interstitial ad settings. Okay, and here it says this is the time between ads. Now, at default, it's set at 10 minutes. I usually set mine at 5 minutes. At 5 minutes, sometimes 2 minutes. Okay. Because basically, you know, it's the time that the interstitial, the full page ad is show on your app. You know, I guess there's a couple of pros and cons when it comes to this. You don't want to show that ad too many times because people, you know, will uninstall your app. Then again, you want to show it enough times to where, you know, you could make some money. Okay. So, just for this demonstration, let's see. We got 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, so on. Okay, let's leave it at 10 minutes. We'll leave it at default. And as you can always, you know, look at the statistics regarding your app to see, you know, if you can, you know, increase the time between ads or decrease. This is up to you. But just for now, just for us, you know, getting started, we'll leave it at the default. Okay. All right. And yeah, that's it for Admob. Now, what we're going to do is actually, you know, as I mentioned in the previous video, we're going to set up ad units for all of these networks. Okay. But that's for Admob. Now, next step is to build it, and we want to test it. Okay. Okay. Oh, let me save those changes. Okay. All right. Let me go back to monetization to double check that. Okay. Yeah, saved them. Okay. So I'm saved. Got to tell you that. Save your changes, you know, or otherwise you have to fill in this information all over again. Okay. Now, next we're going to build it, and then we're going to test it on our phone. Now, what I usually do is I've set up all my ads for my different networks, and then I test it and build it. But just for this, if you just want to see if those apps will show on your phone and everything, we'll go ahead and do a test build, and we'll go ahead and build project. Let's go ahead and build it. And I'll probably see you in the next video where we'll be testing. Okay, but remember, you don't have to set up an ad network and then test it for every single one. Put in all your ad networks. Okay, put in your Amazon. Put in your app loving, Facebook, start apps. If you're going to use all these, then build it and test it. And I'll show you in the next video also how to know the difference between the different ads, what different ads are showing. Okay. So with that, we're going to stop this we're going to stop this video, or we're going to end this video, and we'll see the next video where we're going to build it. Go to build your app and see if your ads are working. One other thing, I'll tell you this, and I'll tell you in the next video also, do not click on any ads. Okay? That's the quickest way to get your account shut down and you won't make any money. Okay? So, with that being said, Christopher Wilson, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. We're starting to make the money right now, y'all. So, I'll see you next video.